In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text templates in Salesforce Flow. This is an essential skill to have when streamlining your processes and ensuring consistency across your communications. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the home page on Salesforce. Once you're there, give yourself a brief overview of what we'll be covering in today's tutorial, which is all about creating effective text templates. Now, let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings option. This is where you can easily access a range of configuration choices that Salesforce offers. After that, you're going to want to proceed by clicking on Open Advanced Setup. This will give you access to a more detailed array of options, which is where we find the features we need for creating text templates. Now you'll want to type in Flows in the search bar. This will direct you to the Flows section within Salesforce, a powerful tool that allows you to automate processes and create customized interactions within your Salesforce environment. Go ahead and click on Flows. Once you're in the Flows section, it's time to create something new, so go ahead and click on New Flow. Once you've initiated the creation of a new flow, you need to select Screen Flow. The Screen Flow option allows you to design flows that include various forms or screens which users interact with directly. This is the perfect setup for inserting text templates, as users often need to interact with them directly in different contexts. Moving on, pay attention to the toolbox area and click on it. This step is vital because it offers a range of components and actions you can drag and drop into your flow. From the toolbox, you'll need to go ahead and click on New Resource. Resources in Salesforce are reusable parts that can aid your flow in numerous ways, such as storing data or performing actions. After clicking on New Resource, you focus on the type of resource you're looking to create. Specifically, you're going to select Text Template. This is the core component of our tutorial today, and it's how you'll standardize messages across different segments of your Salesforce operations. Once you've selected the text template option, input an API name that represents this template within your system. The API name is crucial as it acts as a unique identifier for your template. The next stage involves inputting your desired text within the body of the template. This is the literal content that your users will see when this template is deployed. Now, let's talk style. Direct your focus to the Fonts tab, where you can select different font types to tailor the aesthetic of your text template. Salesforce gives you the flexibility to set the visual tone that best fits your organizational style. Next, adjust the font size to ensure readability. It's a small but significant detail in making sure your message is accessible. You've got a range of sizes to choose from, so find what looks best for your content. Further, scroll down to choose a color for your text. This adds an additional layer of customization and allows you to align your text template with your corporate branding if needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and reads, click on Done. This action will save your text template and complete the setup process. Congratulations! You've successfully created a text template in Salesforce Flow.